Hi everybody. It's inspiration time. Okay. What if I tried painting a Bob Ross painting on my face? That's a good idea. Bob Ross, Island in the Wilderness. Okay.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross.
Hi, Bob.
I'd like to welcome you to the 29th Joy of Painting series.
Ooh,
If this is your first time with us, allow me to extend a personal invitation.
I'm gonna use the back of my crusted, dusted, rusted Morphe 35B palette. I used this thing way too much. Okay, I'm gonna use the back of this for my colors.
Today I'm using an 18 by 24 inch double prime pre-stretched canvas.
I'm using my
whatever
face.
size. The liquid white is designed just to make the canvas wet and to make it slick.
Okay, the canvas needs to be wet and slick. So the liquid white is supposed to make the canvas wet and slick. So I'm just gonna use Mario Badescu rosewater spray because that'll make my face wet and slick. I'm smart, I got this. What's next, Bob? I'm on a roll.
Let's start with a little 2-inch brush and a touch of
Okay, I'm just gonna use this brush right here.
the alizarin crimson.
Alizarin
Just a
crimson.
little-
It looks like red, but it looks like red that's kind of magenta. I'm gonna put this all on the screen. Why am I showing you? I'm gonna have to pause this every like 4 seconds, aren't I? I'm gonna just take some red. And I'm gonna take some pink. That's like kind of the color.
Right into the bristles.
That's kind of the color. I'm gonna say that's the color.
Just a little warm part in the sky.
Mine is way more saturated than his is. Just this clean brush, and do this.
Okay, without even cleaning the brush.
I don't clean
we'll
my
go
brushes
right
either,
into
Bob.
a little phthalo blue.
Okay, what kind of
I
blue
like
is that?
phthalo blue. It's a very warm blue. Very nice.
A very warm blue. I said I was gonna use this and then I put it on my hand.
What did I lie?
Okay. I'm gonna mix in from the Wet n Wild palette because this is a closer blue. Okay, it's still not at all close to the color Bob made, but I'm trying my best. Okay.
That's all they are, little X's. We'll just apply a little bit of the phthalo blue. Something about like so. Then we'll come back after we clean the brush and blend that together.
How does his look so good? Bob. Art. Okay, it doesn't look good, but it worked better.
Let's have some water in this painting. I love water, and it's very easy to paint in this style. I want to darken the corners a little bit. I'm gonna take a little Prussian blue and just add in the corners here.
Oh, you want to darken the corners. He wants to contour.
Shake off the excess and just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part. Corner the brush and just pull down. Something about like
Bob. That doesn't look good, but it's not the worst part of this.
so. Several layers. It helps create depth in your painting. And for that, we'll add a little more blue, but we make it a little darker.
He said mix a darker blue, which I did, because I'm an artist.
And let's get us fan brush. We'll use a fan brush.
Don't you worry, I have a fan brush.
There. And we just drop them in. We don't know where they go. A little white and lift upward. And it'll make little areas back here that looks like a whole different plane, and the white will end up looking like little trunks in those trees. There, right there. See? Just make a line, take the corner of the brush, make a touch.
I need the mirror, I need the
Another
mirror,
one.
I need the mirror.
And just sort of work from the center out. There it goes.
It looks more like a tree than the other trees that I made. Let's go.
Let's go!
That's like kind of emo.
Okay, everybody should have a friend, even a tree. Even a tree. Immediately we have green.
Green.
There. Put some highlights on our little evergreen trees. There they go.
Kind of low key. Trees? Question mark?
Some little bushes that live down here, right down in these little
Messed it
foots.
up already. My bushes look awful and they don't look like bushes and I don't know how to fix that. So I'm gonna move on to the little island. Awesome, that's a disgusting color. Okay.
And we'll just put the indication here. Just begin laying in a basic shape here. Tree.
Yes, I get to make another tree. This tree's thick. I'm gonna just let you guys know right now that every hate comment on this video is true.
Let's do something about like this.
Oh God, not
You
more
would
bushes.
just tap in.
He said it's my world and I make all the decisions, but that seems like an awful lot of responsibility that I'm not sure if I'm ready to take on. That is horrible. Just the corner of the brush.
Use just the corner of the brush. Just the corner of the brush. Individual bushes, one at a time, one at a time. There's a happy little bush. He lives right there. Cute name. Clyde lives right over here. There he is.
Yeah, okay, that kind of looks like
Give all these
bushes.
things.
Oh, I forgot to go. Ugh. So we're just going in and making it look worse. And that's what we're doing. Alright, my bushes don't look like bushes, they just kind of look like overgrown moss, but here we go. I may have gotten a little overzealous with the bushes. Too many bushes. So I'm gonna make a rock, because Bob has a rock.
It's a rock! A rock! Sure. Okay.
Let's have us a little path that we can walk back in here and catch that big old trout or bass, whatever it is that lives in here. You can do this. I know you can.
So now he's just adding little sticks and twigs. I think I can do that. That's just like doing eyeliner.
12 seconds later.
That's enough of those sticks. They look bad. I'm using this middle shade again. Nobody cares. No one's gonna recreate this.
See, there's a little tree that lives back here. Just has a good time. Looks out over the water. With that, I think we about have a finished painting.
He's
that
signing
easy?
it.
Let's take a
Okay,
little
he's
bit of
signing it. That
paint
means
there.
we're almost done. Okay.
Little bright
Okay,
red.
I'm gonna sign mine.
And we'll sign this little rascal.
So that was me trying to follow a Bob Ross tutorial on my face. Mine looks, bad in comparison to his. It certainly looks like a mess, but it also kind of looks a little good, you know? Alright guys, I think that's it for me right now. I am tired. Subscribe if you want to see me embarrass myself more. Subscribe if you want to see more sad little trees. Comment down below if there's anything else you want to see me do. Or if you have any thoughts, or this is the most chapped my lips have ever been. I hope more than 4 people see this, otherwise I wasted a lot of time for nothing. Bye!